We are pleased to show you the 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, tow hitch, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.